my god!
There's a
Jack!
Yo, what are you? What's up, guys? Jack D Rabbit here, and oh my gosh, did you know that we're all totally like girls, and he's like this?
Jack's the only girl.
Oh, really? But it says the one also wearing a girl skin.
You can't tell my.
No, it's not.
Shut up, Jack.
Shut up, Jack.
Shut
Wow.
up. I don't need you telling my secrets.
You know what? That you're really a hermaphrodite.
Hermaphrodite.
Yeah, hermaphrodite.
Hermaphrodite.
I'm just sitting here.
I will blow the bridge. If you don't
So it was lagging for me, and it looked like you
Come
were
here,
just
Jack.
floating in there. Why isn't it letting me collect iron? Crap, I'm lagging.
Green keeps talking about how they're amazing, but watch, they're just gonna be total noobs.
I'm 221. Sorry, my friend, this is unbelievable. Sure.
I know. I'm saying type in the regular chat and let's see.
I just don't play often. You have to get good stuff. So now they're making excuses?
Green. Talk.
What?
Nigerian. Nigerian. Blue is here. Blue is here. I saw butt rapes the point of research.
The whole team just got buried, except for me.
Blue Jack, but Jack avoided.
What?
I can't live on with my life.
Okay.
Do it. You won't.
You messed it up.
So guys, this is my skin.
No one really
That's
cares.
Shadow, you look more like a girl than I do.
I look amazing. You look so cute.
You do. You can't really even say
Wait,
that
wait,
because
wait,
it's
wait,
the
wait.
same.
Let me see you. Let me see your skin. Let me see your skin.
Look good.
That both of ours actually look almost identical with just different color and hair color.
Look, I didn't have enough time. Okay, leave me alone.
Happy.
Jesus Christ.
It's Jason Bourne.
Jason Bourne, where?
Sorry.
Jesus Christ.
Where's
Jason
the Bourne identity? Oh.
It's a movie.
I'm old.
Stop.
Actually, I'm not, because I believe that movie only came out in like what, 2000. I think it was either 2000 or 2002 or something. Right?
I don't know.
What's that noise?
That's dog.
It's doggos, Jack.
It's puppies. Oh, my thing is Hypixel.
Also known as doggos. So far, I own mid.
What do you mean you own mid, boy?
I own
Our
mid.
team owns mid.
Yeah. What you better say.
No, I own mid. I own mid.
Jack, you get destroyed when he came.
Yeah, I would.
He's like, wait.
This is proving my point. Red
Red's
is
here.
mid.
So is green. Green and red are at mid. Whose dogs are
No!
those?
What happened? Mine.
Died.
And I'm not gonna tell. And no, I'm not gonna tell them to shut up. Just get that out of your head.
Shut up. Shut up.
stone or wood?
I don't know, but I'm going after him right now.
I wasn't asking you, but okay.
You weren't axing.
Don't play. It just does that slow-mo thing. It's like axing.
Why does it sound like you're about to start a cheer? Axing.
Who broke the bridge?
Who
Jack.
do you think?
You piece of shit. I'm just like, who broke the bridge?
I swear, Jack, if you do it again,
The sun.
I
you
fell.
deserve that. You deserve that.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, you definitely deserve that.
Deserve anything? If you think I do, then maybe I do, but shut up.
I'd rather not. If you don't mind, I'd rather not.
I don't care what you'd rather.
Shadow, I thought you were somebody else, so I was literally just spamming.
Cruelty, give me your emeralds. I'm going back to base.
Okay, yeah.
How many emeralds do you guys have?
Oh, I'm dead.
Wow. You were given the cold shoulder.
Shut up, Jack. Nobody loves
You
you. Wants to talk to you.
think I don't know that?
Shh. Oh, dang you both died. I was gonna. Oh. Anyway, so my female name is Kratina.
Christina. My female name is Jake Willen.
What?
My name's Lashante.
What? You don't even have an L in your front name.
Let's start there.
My name is Christina.
One though, what? What did you say?
My name is Christina. I got the club going up
On a Tuesday.
My name is Jake Willen.
Girl in your club, she a Christina. Yes.
You guys know where Jake Willen is from, right?
Key and Peel.
Yeah.
Oh, I actually didn't know that. I just guessed. Fancy me. It sure is fancy me. Cruelty, I'm
No,
coming in with the kill.
Not. And guys, if you want to see more, I'm going to be trying. We are going to be doing a horror map. Hope maybe tonight
No,
at
we're
3
not.
a.m.
We're not going to do that.
No, because that's
I don't know what you thought, but we're not going to do that.
3 a.m. challenges are as dumb as you are.
But I do want us to do a horror map.
Don't worry, guys. I'm coming to protect our base. So, yeah.
Oh, you are, huh? You are?
Yeah.
Not no more. You aren't.
I jumped.
I got. Oh my god, they almost broke our bed. Stop!
Oh no, that was me. I've been doing that.
I know.
Where are you buying?
Oh my god. I'm gonna kick you from the party.
Oh really? But I'm the pro. I'm.
Well, we're not gonna. Oh, no kicking you from the party. I'm just gonna leave the call.
I'm going places.
Psych.
I want to be someone one day.
Psych. This is all your dreams just don't come true. Just like no. I swear. There we go.
What would you do if God called you
Oh
a
no,
queer?
Fred! Fred is building over to us!
For real?
For real.
But guys, what would you guys do if God called you a queer?
I'd
No!
accept it because he's God. Literally, like, come on.
Where am I?
I sure did give him a nice little
Yeah, I just did that, you know, just blew
What
up
in
the
the
killer
crap?
base.
Fred is coming! Fred is here!
We're just gonna leave you here, you know.
My dude, you're garbage! You're garbage!
Stop! Oh my god!
Stop!
There's a
Jack!
dog.
I'm done.
Jack!
Oh, Jack! Tired.
Stop, Jack!
Oh my, I'm
That
done.
cost so much money!
Yeah,
You
because
just
like
broke
20
about
or
like 40
something-
pieces of iron in a couple
Yeah.
sweets.
40 iron is a lot.
You okay? You get it then.
Okay, I will.
Okay, go freaking get it right now. Get it right now.
Did you just try to blow me up?
Yeah.
Wow, really? Really?
Take back.
Bruh.
Cruelty, come back, my dude. Jack, you want to eat a fireball?
Sure.
I got some breakfast for you if you do.
Yeah, I'd love that. Do I feel kind of bad? No, not really.
Yeah.
Oh, was I supposed to say yeah?
You were.
Oh.
That's a dick thing to do.
Okay, I got the rest of the stuff.
Come back.
Yeah, that was
I'll take back
so...
my slave if you come back.
What? Whoa! Racism!
We're white. That's not racism.
Slave enslavement is racism. What happened?
Why can't I hit you? I keep trying to hit you off. Hey, Jack, watch out. Look behind you. There's a red
Yeah,
dude.
he
He
ran
ran up
right-
right next to you.
And then he ran back.
Yeah, I know. It's like you have leather gear. Why doesn't he kill you?
I don't know.
Murder your face off.
I mean,
Jack, you want to
good.
play a game? It's called Dodge the Fireball.
Okay. Yeah, I want to play that. Give me a
See, what's up,
second.
dude?
What?
Jack, apologize right now.
Sorry.
Or I make you eat a fireball.
I'm gonna let them destroy it.
Same. And then we can come back and be like, what's up, motherfucker?
No, I'm literally gonna let them.
Oh, I'm literally going to let them.
Yeah, I know. I was fine with him letting him. I just want to kill Jack. I'm fireballing Jack off the edge now.
Really? Where am I?
I don't know.
You see, if you don't know and I don't know, how is anyone supposed to know?
By you having a penis.
Sorry, that can't happen. I'm me. It just
That's
comes natural.
46 gold. You think that's a lot?
Nope.
46? Cruelty, can I get this emerald up here? Because then I can go invis to red space and completely blow to smithereen. I need that.
I say don't do it.
Go, Jack. Find out. You're garbage, sir. You're garbage. You're
Stop
garbage.
talking about yourself. Jeez.
Yeah. We want you ever to be alive.
Okay, that's nice.
Better be, because I spent like 4 months making that speech.
Please, sir. No, senor. By the way, I bought diamond armor.
Why? Why does he keep leaving?
Did he leave when I said I bought diamond armor?
I don't think so. I'm all alone.
Because I did buy diamond armor. Oh, are you alone? Do you want to survive or no?
Yeah, I want to
No?
survive. I'm gonna go in there, invis. Stop. Don't even leave. You leave, and I leave.
Where are you?
I'm going in,
Going
doing
in
my
where?
thing. Place. I'm gonna go do places.
If you don't tell me where you are, I'm going to the next game.
I'm in mid, and I'm going after red right now. I have jump and invis.
Wow, this guy's just throwing out all of the gold. This red guy in his base, he's just throwing out all the gold. Was that you?
Yeah, I broke the bed.
Yeah, I was actually about to click go. Actually, I did,